today I am going to be showing you how to make honey garlic meatballs, and it's going to be so delicious. If you like watching my videos, don't forget to give my videos a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so that you'll be notified each time I upload my videos. And if you're new here, I'm Scovia and welcome to my kitchen. So I have my meat here, my ground beef. I'm going to be adding 1 medium onion. Next, I'm going to be adding a bunch of coriander. I've chopped up my coriander. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 cloves of garlic. So this is 5 cloves. I'm just going to add a little bit into the bowl. Next, 1 egg. And then I'll be adding about half a cup of breadcrumbs. Now it's time to get messy. Using your hands, you'll make sure that everything is well combined. So adding egg to your ground meat is going to help bind all the ingredients together. So don't skip the egg part. And also make sure to massage everything into the meat. Once everything is well combined, I'm going to form medium-sized balls. So make sure to press on the meat and form a ball like this one. When you're done making the meatballs, you're going to keep these aside, and then I'm going to show you how to make our sauce. So in a small pan, I'm going to use the smallest burner I have. So in a pan, I'm going to add half a cup of honey. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar, 3 cloves of garlic, crushed garlic, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup light soy sauce. Then using a spatula, I'm going to mix until well combined. Then I'm going to let this cook for around 1 to 2 minutes on low. So don't forget to stir until all the sugar is dissolved. Now that it has come to a boil, I'm going to let this cook. Now it's time to fry my meatballs. So I'm going to be using a very large pan, and on medium heat I'm going to add cooking oil. Now I'm going to place my meatballs into the oil. You're going to fry 1 to 2 minutes on each side. 1 heaped teaspoon of cornstarch, and then you make sure to stir well. As our sauce cooks, I'm going to check on my meatballs and turn so that they can cook the other side. It's been 2 minutes and my sauce is ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat. Then I'm going to wait for this to cool as my meatballs cook. So make sure to turn as they cook. So I'm going to remove my meatballs and drain them in a paper towel. So once the meatballs are drained excess oil, I'm going to put them in my yummy sauce. So my sauce is still warm. So this is going to be absolutely delicious. Then I'll coat them with the yumminess. You can also add the meatballs in a bowl and add the sauce on top, and then you toss around. I just chose not to have many utensils to wash. So I'm going to be using my pan. So they are looking amazing. Now I'm going to serve. Then I'm going to garnish with sesame seeds. These honey and garlic meatballs are amazing. They are sweet and savory. If you love that, then this is the thing for you. So if you try out this recipe, you're surely going to enjoy each and every bite, because I know you will definitely love this. So catch you on my next one. Ciao.